what's inside the... These are all the stuff. Today is 5th November and I'm getting ready for work. It's winter and I really enjoy winter. Outfit check. My mom showed me to pack my lunch. I'm gonna go wrap it up and then see you at the office. Bye. Hi! Met her after such a long time. Oh, yeah, thank you. Oh my god, that's 1,16,000. Fridge with AI. Camera. Oh, we can see what's inside the fridge through this. Interesting. I say notes pinning garda hunesa. Oh. R
A-Y-C-I-E and I'm to MIT L-Y-A-N-G-M-I-T
अरे सेफ हुन्छ गो ओलमदो अम्मो सेफ पनि पैसा टुसमे
वर्लपुल छ
वर्लपुल छ गो
यहाँ चाहिँ तपाईको पानी चुम्दैन नि
ए हो
पानी चुम्छ त्यहाँ यहाँ पुरा आइस जामिन्छ तिनीहरुको यसमा आइस जामिन्छ
अरे आज नि हामीले
यो ग्लास चाहिँ स्यामसङमा चाहिँ ग्लास राम्रो देखाउँछ यो चलाउन या के लागि माथि तान
I'm planning to buy this one.
यतिमा डिस्काउन्ट दियो अझै यो डिस्काउन्ट गरिदियो
My god. Welcome back everyone. It's quite late. I had to reserve a cab and then come back. Finally bought a new fridge. Is gonna get delivered after 3 to 4 days. Actually हमारे पास था लेकिन वो थोड़ा खराब हो गया था. I'm really proud of myself that I'm able to do something even if it's this much. I'm really proud of myself. I just wanted to share this moment. I just want to cherish this moment with you guys. Actually it's time for me to go to bed, but I just wanted to share this beautiful moment. And also guys, मैंने like जैसा सोचा था ना, silver tone plus double door. I'm really glad that I got something that I manifested. This is the new haircut. ये वाला portion बहुत frizzy, split ends हो रहा था. दिन अच्छा था, इसलिए I chopped it off. I would never chop my hair during the bad days. आज मैंने बाले डूंगा vlog job किया है. If you guys haven't checked the vlog, the link will be given down below. Hello everyone. Right in the middle of my work. Today's 8th of November. Work. Hello. Okay, we're getting ready. Photoshoot. Yeah, day one. Taste of Tibet. We are going backless. Azam, bye bye.
90 रुपैयाँ किलो
Experience कस्तो भयो experience?
राम्रै भयो
Yeah.
सोचेको किन राम्रो हुन्छ भन्ने
बोरा 80 रुपैयाँ
Yeah. See you next time.
फेरि दुःख दिन्छु
Okay, bye.
खबर कैसा
Got back home. हाम्रो फ्रिज पनि आइसक्यो. आमा मन पर्यो फ्रिज? कलर पनि दामी छ है. Movable ice maker. दामी रहेछ है. खासमा चाहिँ मैले यो भ्लग चाहिँ यता नै एन्ड गरौँ भनेको कि बट देन अगेन मेरो अलिकति अनबक्सिङ स्टफ्स थियो which I ordered pre Diwali but then अहिले दिवाली सकिसक्यो so I just wanted to unbox. These are all the stuff. MYNTRA, MEESHO and Amazon. So everything is already unboxed. See you guys, I'm gonna unbox it again, okay? So first things first, I'm gonna start off with my mom and dad ka shoes from Puma. Diwali ma I just wanted to give them something, but then again Diwali ko baad ma mate deliver bhayo. I bought this for mom, Puma shoes. It was on sale, so the link will be given down below. You know, amale bhaneko थियो last month that I'm gonna get her new pair of shoes. This was the surprise that I gave to her and she's really happy. Same goes for my dad. Sports shoe ne, you know, yo gareko थियो order kinabhane it was on sale. I ordered this shoe. 6 number hoga ki nahi hoga, but order to kiya hai. I ordered 3 stuffs from MEESHO. 1 is pending and 2 got delivered today. Ordered this thing, oil dispenser. What is this? Defect bhayirako rahecha. I need to change it. Yo chai dami लाग्यो मलाई. Brush thing, oil haru हामीले त्यो pan ma यो गर्दा हुन्छ नि. Oil dispenser. I don't know what just happened with this. यो अलिक damage भइराको रहेछ. यो चाहिँ I'll return. I don't know, maybe 200 something from MEESHO, and the link will be given down below. So the next product, oh wow, spoon holder. A great purchase from MEESHO. So quality big राम्रो रहेछ, मलाई मन पर्यो. Link will be given down below. So now it's time for Amazon. Rechargeable type का bulb. This was also on sale. MRP चाहिँ 450 something थियो, but then it was on Diwali sale and I got it at around 180 something. Let me show you guys कस्तो हुन्छ. Whenever you know the lights get off, it still lights up. My mom, she bought this. I wanted to try this LA Shield ka moisturizer. This is from Amazon. I don't know why the packaging is like all kucheko type ko. I don't know why, but I want to try this one because I use this LA Shield ka sunscreen, so I just wanted to give this a try because my skin is like literally super dry right now. One stuff from MEESHO is pending and one stuff from Amazon is pending. That stuff I'll put up in the next vlog. This is it for today's vlog. I hope you all enjoyed watching. Please do like, share, subscribe, and I'm gonna see you on my next vlog.